Hey there, Solid Signal fans. My friends at Winegard sent me over their latest Elite 360 omnidirectional antenna, which is really cool because it gets reception from every angle, every direction, up to 55 miles or so they say. I thought I'd share the unboxing experience with you because everybody loves a good unboxing. Let's dig in. Winegard tends to not use retail-ready packaging, which is just fine. The nice thing about this box, this is how it ships. No extra material needed there. Cuts open, and you're probably going to want to keep this box. It's a pretty decent box, well constructed, and you'll use it for something. I know that I will. You got a lot of paperwork here. Not terribly worried about it. This is the mast that you connect. This is the brace if you're going to put it on an eave. This is the brace if you're not going to put it on an eave, if you're going to put it on a post. This is what connects to the bottom. You get this little bag of stuff, and you get the antenna itself. Not a lot to talk about unboxing-wise, so let's take a look at it a little bit more slowly. This is the main antenna itself. It's got the old Winegard logo on top of it instead of the new one, but honestly, you will never see the top of this antenna once you put it up. Only Google Earth will see it, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. You get multiple mounting options with this antenna. The left piece is the bottom plate that connects the antenna to this curved mast that you see. You also get the option to mount directly to an eave or mount to another mast. This parts bag gives you everything that you're going to need to mount to a mast, to mount to a wall, and you get the famous Winegard power inserter. Small but powerful and hasn't changed in a long time because it just doesn't need to. You know, the Winegard Elite 360 promises a lot of performance out of a very small package. If you're interested in seeing how it worked out, check out the other videos on this channel or read the Solid Signal blog. And when you're done, shop for the Winegard Elite 360 at solidsignal.com.